All right, Tony. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see Audrey.
Okay, please read the vocabulary words, Tony. Go.
Flat, apartment, or similar in meaning. Flat is generally,
Again, generally,
generally, generally used in what is that?
and, come on, and,
Brit, Brit, British,
and,
is British,
and, apartment. Go, come on, read. And apartment.
and apartment is now often used instead of flat in British English when describing new or more extensive home.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Okay, look at here, Tony. So let's discuss this. We have here two words. We call it flat and apartment. Listen, Tony, if we say flat and apartment, they have the same meaning. Okay, they're just the same, but we call, yeah, you cannot hear me?
What is British and expensive?
Expensive.
Expensive.
Oh, wait. I will write the Vietnamese of the word British. British English is how you say English if you go to London, to British countries. Wait, Tony. If we say British English, we say it Ching An Hua. This one. That's the translation of British English. Okay? This is still an English word like we use now. But then sometimes there are words, these British English are English words that we use in different countries like London, like Switzerland, like Scotland, like, wait, France, Paris. That's British English. The same English, but in different countries. If we say American English, we use this kind of English language or English words. If you go to, it is commonly used by American people. If you are an American people, then you are using American English. If you were born and raised or lived in London, in what other places? London, Scotland, Switzerland, in those kind of places, Tony, you'll be using British English. Almost the same English. They're just the same English, but there are words, Tony, that they commonly use there. If you go to If you go to London, Tony, you will use the word flat instead of apartment. If you are in America, Tony, their flat there is called apartment. How about in Vietnam, Tony? What do you call to the what do you use in Vietnam? Do you use flat or apartment? It is a house for rent. You are renting, you are paying the house for your stay there. What do you use in Vietnam, Tony? Do you say flat or do you say apartment?
A house.
A house. Tony, do you know what is apartment? Do you know what's an apartment?
No.
Okay, apartment in Vietnam is called căn hộ. Wait me. Like this.
Is that căn hộ?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Flat and apartment are the same căn hộ. Okay, they're just the same. Tony, flat and apartment is just the same. It's just that if you live in London, we say it flat. If you live in America, they call it apartment. Understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, how about the word expensive? Do you know what is expensive?
No.
Okay, expensive is that. Like that. That's the Vietnamese for expensive homes. Meaning, you pay big amount of money if you want to stay there.
Ah.
Understand?
Is that?
Yeah, that. Expensive,
Oh.
that. Okay? You get it?
Yes.
All right. So again, Tony, flat and apartment are just the same. It just depends on how the people in the country commonly use. Tony, in Vietnam, what do you say? Do you call it flat or you call it apartment? What do you say?
I say
In Vietnam, Vietnamese people, what do you use? Do you
flat.
use, you use flat. So you're using British English. Okay. You call it flat. In other country, you call it apartments. Okay. So here, Tony, you're going to write here information about you. Or just don't write. Just tell me the answer. Okay, Tony, you complete this text. I live in a, where do you live? An apartment, a flat, or a house? I live in a, Tony, where do you live? I live in a house. My address is,
Wait, I'm ask my father.
it's okay, not complete. Okay? Okay, you continue.
window. So Tingy Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Next. Look at there. Where do you live? In a village, a town, a city, or a countryside? Okay, next. How many rooms have you got? Okay, 6 rooms. We've got a...
Oh, wait.
Okay, 6 rooms. We've got a blank. What are the rooms? Bedroom. Oh, just tell me, Tony. Don't write now. Okay, so please read now. I live. Because it's so many. I live. Go.
I live in a house.
My address.
My address is something to and I live in the countryside. Our home has 6 rooms. We've got a living room, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a toilet, and a bedroom.
Okay. My favorite room.
My favorite room
Yes.
is a living room
Because
there's a TV.
there's
Oh
a
no,
T.
because there there's a garden near my
there's...
house.
Oh. There's a garden near your home and you can, what can you do there?
You can
What can you do in the garden?
you can play badminton there.
You can play badminton there. So that's the reason why you like it there. All right. So Tony, thank you for answering this. All right. So it's already time. We will just continue this lesson next meeting. Okay? We are not yet done doing this activity. All right? All right, Tony. Goodbye for now, Tony. See you next time, Tony. Goodbye. Goodbye.